Ento kwa chini ya manyokuo party ni mu a NDC a wusu eja da butu. There was a fire on the mountain. Run. Remember nchire mu Ayitey powers or the TikTokers abe blast John Mahama any party leaders. E dey na koso. Aha Penyah block me. That mess was say di mu. Obe like video na that my subscribe button na be click notification icon no latest update na be chere wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment. Mess was oba so. No ahye photo nya bi ahwe. E to nim say ever since the NDC veteran konya so no party no emunyoye, especially party no any the foot soldiers, those are the grassroots who did the dirty job, the dirty work for the party to assume office, to retain power. Omo enyo okay ni nyina say just an appointment in kitikiti board man ko betimi anya according to them ya shone wo mu ye frempani omu frempani fo a mpanifo mpiki omu call but campaign time day na mpanifo kra na frɛ wo mu but now no ye ba office no omahu levels omahu say enye omuti pe the politicians no there be say you omuti pe no omu what you see is not what you get there be say nya sa assembly enye sa to the point say na instead of say ya double any appointment e wo NDC party ni mu as grassroots football ambassador oda say e wo Ghana heye ene amanone or just on the beda Ghana ano na appointment when e buy and the food soldiers no omuko kwa pai omo asem nyane say ya double crown once a time odi Mahama atem wo criticizing Mahama government it was all because ya double ebusi Mahama question say His Excellency o si ya nto aboma no oba be ye dai we ya double kan no say double di Mahama atem ebi omu chere say an abra ye di Mahama atem 24 no ya double am be defend Mahama but dara edem e ka say ko foni pa boni nti o te hwi mu no and ya double e be defend dey look at this foolishness it any ya double onye trustworthy o hia say your man appointment and omo time double for no reason me wa double you na work ya kana say me no ogo pie mobile ban boy o twe Mahama adwen si say Mahama ukuro mu kwan nyina anya edimoni ko ukuro mu ye ukuro mu kwan ama be pie mu boy enye so aje ya say papa John Mahama say papa ahayo ukuro mu beti obia na ya bole kwan ole ban boy kwan ya papa Mahama eye ukuro ma beti obia ka bole posu bole eke eti etro ya kwan eye timi mula kwanga emily bia double cancel ya onya kwani if you go for the croma chebi okọ chebi a eye kra behwe okuro na fa ankasa okuro no etu hwa ogu for azichiri ni kuro ankasa e double so primpuntu ama Mahama ni kuro mu a enka boni bi anim ba minim how ye niam ndisi for no musete niam ase ba we say for appointment we no ana almost omunti ase e jari wo party food soldiers no TikTokers no obuni Mahama be clash ama even Ayitey powers kura no esu
NDC for nyina more apo eso munya so na muntie me NDC ni pa I didn't join the NDC man joining NDC to say na ebi no muka say me joining party in 2000 and I say me I was born in the NDC me papa ni me mama nyina ye NDC for omo me to NDC ni na mama ka say me nche mo fa the NDC ho ye NDC mpanifo no ti say o fa MPP a o man ni say they are capitalists, they are property owning. It is a mobile power. Say either it is IT, whether it is law, whether it is business and commerce, or more place on for, so that the party will have some kind of a money making avenue, some revenue generation. Say be empty na MPP ain't to mean good that. Because party nuko opposition said they still have money to manage the party. Because akonya kitu na omobanya aba power no. See how much they make and where they place their people. But mind this Imbra power. And this Iba power, they have some principles. Say, let us impoverish our people. Say, impoverish your moi. They will always be calling us master, and we'll be giving them some token. Let us never elevate them. Say, elevate your moi. They will rise to compete us. That is the mindset of our leadership. And ene amika say, ene amika say, ayewa baimu. Military form cry yet on MPP for nya kwenya wom say yen. Nyame pengu, but mami cite example bi. Mo ni esisi o Guinea Bissau, Mali, Burkina Faso ni all the other countries military overthrow. Nyame pengu, we don't pray for that because John Mahama oye juma pa. But say ebani say there should be some kind of military interruption in democracy. It should be very easy for these guys because among for those who are military democracy. Rollins and Crofona Rollins, 82 military no man now model society time no, and then omo pension. Last time I'm okay commemoration day. One say no my week or my bao. Omo nyina pension, omo bread. Say military no and near this in some. It's in the hands of the MPP. MPP leadership Mika say military from Ayitey omo sheda top slot ni nyina F00LS for. Ama NDC 40 su bre omo to me call internet to come fill form no. There is nobody to listen to anybody. Nyame pengu. But if there should be a military insurgents, we will pay dearly for it. You think you are doing us, you think you are hurting us, you think you are ignoring us and suppressing us. You are worrying yourselves too. It is you who is in power. At the end, we have nothing to lose. We have absolutely nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. We are losing nothing. Because you have trained us with hunger. And we are used to hunger. It is you who cannot endure hunger for a 24-hour. And then I'm wiki, sir. Juicy opportunities near my German NPP for. And then once I'm afraid Yaa double. Kofi Adams, et me afraid Yaa double. I a grassroots football and then. Kofi Adams nyame nhyira. Wan hu ni papa bia o NDC mo. Enti asem we NDC for catch NDC for say NDC members are village fools no eye no kre. Because the empenyfo na kasa kwa demonstrate say we are good for nothing. They cannot use us for anything meaningful. Say enen 2028 7th January beto aba. You see the anger with which NDC for the beto abatia and NDC party no. Yempesa. But who will you talk to? Who will listen? Yaa double. Hey. Who cares us? So who has been approving all these kind of appointments? Obi on national television, NDC need on national television. F00 card, F00 party card, the scissors, tumu, trying into two, try say or Penyah my MPP. And then send the panel, yaman appointment. Embassy, Ghanaian embassy in France as tourism ambassador. NDC. NPP. Baumia 8 are resigning 4 days to general election. Say we're joining NDC. And then she's a senior presidential staffer. NDC.
Yeah, Papa John Mahama, you can't say the why any Jumopani eboa. How come so to me appoint Yaa double? How come? Aye na AGD. Akuma actress and actors in Bibli na we say Yaa double strong MPP ni na still na wasa appointing no ye na ya wa 2023 e na Yaa double e ba abonti e be di wa tempo to e be keka nsema na enim esa question kra say amemu na peso bebu ni biem no impuntu ben e na ode brega na e na den e na o ba be ya magana fo a o peso sa ba biem ye wa ha e na we na be keka kan ye. And then I'm saying I could that sorry is why I appointed Yaa double. Our niti as a Titanic ship. On the we are neti konisia and then the momano. Now yeah, President John Mahama now I appointed Yaa double. How come? Ya kasa de oye ndi yeni jiho pande ane yebua yeni njiho bako kura ubeja jai yeni njiho kura.
Yaa double ebusa President Mahama say oba be yeden for the second time. Abrana ye ba beto abano. President Mahama by for the second time. Yaa double President Mahama I'm on the position. Appointed no. When a NDC for the donor buafu, especially the grassroots, omoja rough. Edis omoja, edikwanso omobufu. Because abrano mo ye juma campaign no. Na Yaa double mo ne sam kofona mo tete sa no busa se President Mahama obeye den o predodo we dibida enkwa na Ghana ye wo dia nsema mo kanu no na nsema Yaa double mo kan kire se President Mahama ade onu nkwa na ye Ghana ni what be assemblyman, what be vice president, what be minister, what be MP, what be the president. Oh, Penyah biom President Mahama weni breade. Ana Ghana focus da bi waba obasan so tima babiom tin e what the word ababio. President Mahama, I was saying very careful. The same thing as Samijan Fikoye ya broke yisika ma agrada na NDC for you to die because it's not about agrada, it's not about say ye ma obisika, it's about sema moke kafa o President Mahama ho ansa na o ba be diap de na ansa na Ghana for to abama. Se Ghana for tie sa ankrofo yanka ba de sam ka NDC ni power. Nti mamu mfa ni ma bi say just you are being so nice in Ghana for that be yenye masa. I thought that diplomacy was the tone Chinese face facts. Ya odabon sama no kan say President Mahama nyo no kwa na Ghana ni nyo no kwa no di ade ye wo be di bi onko pe ba binti na ma obimra. The same thing na Ghana for busa say adenti na ya odabo Ghana for bi ni ho ana. There are so many Ghanaians or more vibrant or betima hold that position at Yadakoma ya Dabuna no but as a President Mahama Babe then we any or time no credit. Near another year MPP for the donor ground a bina President Mahama we no. The Kevin Taylor Monfamanuntum ya dabu ya be make comments be Emma Kevin Taylor and put to be born rough. Because abra na yedi President Mahama atem ya hu se ya odabo abetwe camera be video se munya se mudidi mpanimfo atem enso obi ko ka bibi eti a ye papa kufo no ya odabo nya adagbe etwe camera be gina nim ebe lecture Ghana for hona Kevin Taylor ka se wo bra ana otiti ma no the President Mahama is there are so many young vibrant people on betima who hold this position as adwumai. What it doesn't mean say obetime the investment in maybe Ghana that be we have so many people munko vote am benya manfo so numpo already why established that you know mum pick you be from baby oni bibia no so man spotlight no mum kanya no tono so the President Mahama the na do ye de MPP for bebre mo ba ye mo bre de ne ba power na we push mo na manfo fra buchi na mabedi power na mabedi to me na pamo MPP grassroots MPP macho for MPP strong young boys so mo ye adwuma man na do ni MPP mo ba power for 8 years no na do ne nkrofo pamo safo ni nyina kwesi adidigya ba mu ene ne ma do na dwa ye bufu yo mo free MPP achi enti abre ko bu ha wa komsin no who say man for your video. I am MPP. But mo we ne power no o man fi ye si abetina boche emfi mu biom mo tete sanse no nyina President Mahama yesrew amanfo aba adwuma wa ba wo ba adwuma but some of these petty mistakes no emwa some of these things no emwa nipa no busa wo ba be den wadi bi that na fi na wa ba wo san so koyi ni so no be lead bi because of wetin because of ko what Obisi ada onye Ghana ni ana oye Ghana ni na ukosi na wasa so busa ho na se onu kwa na Ghana ni so ye Ghana ni a na se ye man position e ya onu so kwa na Ghana ni na nye onu na no obusa obi se oba be ye den no na onu so o position na friend pa no wa ye den NDC mpani fo mo fo manu ntumo monji position e free no mo fo man pa fro when you free no mo fo pa fro na sa jandam politics na nyina na magana nko na nim no ye wuye tumu ye de way for Ghana President Kufuor abra na Ghana say Ghana nko mo te say ya dabo ababo ncha beka ho asem da almost all munya politics e de politics gentle for no touch no mo both defense na say amount for ye adwuma Grassroots na say president na ba na say Ghana ekoya afi na mo adodode na mo be feeling that be I was say MPP for NDC for munya sa no ma no I am say man winning with large numbers, a landslide win, more majority into a bit my Moses in news, a month to near my year. And your man can be said, dear before by my sharp before 1 hour bread. A bread campaign, ye did a month for them social media, a sharp before more. The man found say, we Ghana and the economy near me, in a beer, yentimen 20, and would that be? Yan your massa, we shed the pub before I say, we had a knife and for own few. The same thing on another year, a quotia MPP, you know. It's a once over through the President Mahama, many who said this is your last statement, you know, within the opposite way beyond a bit affected party, no. Mrs. Asemi, nation before obey it, name. Ah, my name is Namfu to Mishani, Dim Common, account about politics anyway. I saw more kind of an obey it, name. Oh, Cassa when I'm some, they say. On Tomra, on Fumoye, or Babida, Anna, Quenya Sanswabana, NDC for so name Mediani Mumra, also obey a day. The President Mahama is Remo. Mone Sports Ministry, and Monya who baby. Uniform people from Financial Hall. Sagana no serious. Pendis in Papa beyond ones and the special mobano for 1 to 2 dispositions. Pamo Munfiri Hall. Ajaku omo tam omo didi omo ye campaign ma MPP omo didi ene no womu ni omo nkotina fie kwa kuma no mposi wo ho kasa pa do se wonye NDC ni bana oka no kure omo ani nkoye no omo ye bo be kasa e wan kasa o e actant wan kasa o kasa e me hu se ene ma nkoye ya da bo be kasa ada de no oni man so ba be tufo because obi abedi kofo aten so abra ne didi President Mahama to man be kabida ti yes President Mahama onye ni o mayi
ambassadoria the appointment yes ai enti we no ayankomodie na akwaso enti na me tu minister for say me srana enkomo no onfa full stop nsi wona antoa so okay because the grassroots na no obi send me message free me abi kurom the video se ka ho say ya double ba sampa jam my north na me hwe video no na me hwe nsem a ya double ka ye na NDC constituency executives a mo jam my north o mo bu afu and na kwadom so be press conference.
Okay.
Because videos no mo send them me no. Chale no de bi. Oh yeah, ya double o ankase ye. Me nsem ni bi o ke ka ya.
To be honest, nsem ni kan me dey kaka because me nya official letter bia
say they no enye official. Enti no mo minister kokko say onhwe no ama na anya official. Ti we na kokko no mo dey ba no. Say what dey na no aka onhwe no wanye
official.
Aha.
But yes. Me this question no. Can we look at nipa betima ye na yenja nsem ye waka from me ma bi na me chiro. Say the nipa na ade obetimi aye. Politics
na ye wo Ghana ha no. Won say me catch you say afa ni ye nyini. Enema ne bebre wo no ma ye nyini nduru ho. But media no kura de ye baako. Ya double campaign a wo ye no. E kira me say President Mahama ideas or fast force ho no won ne nya adwen to no ye campaign tiam.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Enye ya double kwa no wo ade bi wo na wo ye na obi ankasa ma abaye moa no. Say abaye di sika kwahye football mu a automatically oba benefit.
Exactly.
But so the nipa ni be gina front line. Ama obi masa eno de all jokes aside. Eno de masa ma ye mfa we nya na for sama na agudi asem bia ni. Wo de nipa ni be gina front line. Nipa na ne okoye campaign ti ano edidi na tamu won krofo anim omu hu ye no. How would they feel?
Okay.
Because all videos in now on my phone so.
Oh, really?
But some of them it's here and I'm like, is it this year ya double na? Otiminya opportunity any President Mahama year 1 is ano.
But I think say those videos say available because obi oti no. E be no you say wa bo tim na wo ka.
Enti eto da bia wa hu. Ade bi wo ho no mo a o ka no kra kire danfo entete wo ne danfo ntem.
Debi.
Ye. Obi ti say Frida. Obo NDC man appointment a grassroots bega. But Frida ti we unim nim dia woni tiri. Eba the health sector unim ade anko betimi aya boaye. But your politics na ya wo Ghana ha no will not permit it because ono na ban ba ye no enkofo no mo NDC mu na betimi aboa no ya pamo mu nyina. So we need to start from somewhere. But you see, say I buy the sika sports more and discriminate. Say ya double academy na ya mano.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
And
yeah.
And in fact, I see a mano. Taxpayers money. Ya sika. Tenya friend ya baka say we NDC ni kwan ya de be ma. Na mo mensira we one man position and no chance want to contribute to the football.
It's already
allow him to do what he's doing. Okay. But man for the parliament now front line man nkwaya to say, you know, you are painting a certain picture
to the grassroots.
Because nipa no ba bi okwaya sa campaign ni nsam na okwa kekaye no. Other side NDC for no mo no so e kan tie. Na obi aba ba ya kanta na say nipa na wo de ni ba ba ya ambassador be di ya nimu de a. Na say de wa boy asoma for yatuko. Enti yesre minister modi sika share football ni mu a ya double be benefit kama. And fani magina front line bia me create problem. Yeah, politics na wa ha no. Now ko calculate me didi Kennedy Japan wo no. Hu ni sure. Hu sa akwa ni sure. Asie sa a sugar ye say. Meza akwa minim na ka ba hye me pa o. Se minim no one on one na ka ba hye me papa. Me hwe se de otimitena wutumi di Kennedy atamu a. Enu ma hu se panyi ni MPP mbiem. Panyi bia ni mo. Wo sho amoniam nti se obi ya sa aniama we wie. Na buy the sister na confess any partner so ba man position. Ada na ye ni watem. Oh yes, ye be di watem. Yes. Sha kwa shu pa se nya sia sugar one na microphone wo ma yi agege coins. Jeje kwa sreska. Bobo na bunkoto dwema wonsa so nyina esra ayi communicator siska. Wonya wotimi kwatena ba bi na didi Kennedy atem. Hey. And people panyinim. Anyway, I am house matter.
You know what, your mommy, ever comment section. How you Penyah Block Media, girl.